After the latest Windows 11 update, your system might start lagging, apps open slower, and even simple tasks feel heavy. In today's guide, I'll show you methods to completely fix Windows 11 lag and restore full speed without reinstalling or resetting anything. Let's begin straight away. First, we'll target the hidden background tasks that spike CPU and disk usage after updates. Right-click your taskbar and choose Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Here, disable everything you don't use daily. Right-click and choose Disable. This instantly stops dozens of update-triggered services from starting automatically. Now, press Windows+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down and locate these services. Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Right-click each, Properties. Set startup type to manual or disabled. Then click Stop and Apply. This prevents Windows from collecting usage data and preloading apps you never open. Next, press Windows+R. Type Reget It. Right-click the Start door, choose Modify, set its value to 4, and click OK. Finally, run Command Prompt as administrator and enter .sfc scano. Wait until it reaches 100%. This scans and repairs corrupted system files left from the update, restoring system stability. Now we'll optimize memory management. This is where most lag hides. Right-click this PC. Properties. Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Advanced. Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage. Select your C drive and set a custom size. Use these values: initial size equal to 4096 MB, maximum size equal to 2288 MB. Click Set and OK. Finally, enable the hidden Ultimate Performance mode. Search CMD, run as administrator, and type .powercfg duplicate scheme. Then open Power Options and select Ultimate Performance. This removes power limits on your CPU cores and RAM, unlocking the maximum Windows speed possible. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more advanced Windows fixes and optimization guides.